Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to harvest some things from the garden. It is October 7th and I still have things growing, so let's go. So I started off by picking a bunch of tomatoes. I couldn't believe how many tomatoes I still had growing and ripening in October. So I had cherry tomatoes, I had zebra tomatoes. Look at all those Amish paste tomatoes there. I was so thankful for how many tomatoes I was still getting off of these vines. And here you can see, not a bad haul at all. Now, I do have some tomatillos growing in amongst these, but they were not ready. So if you push on a tomatillo and there's still a lot of air inside that kind of paper coating, they're not ready. So let me show you some that are. So these, you can tell the fruit has like gone all the way to the outside and even split that paper coating. These are ready to go. Then I moved over to my middle pepper bed that has mostly sweet peppers, and look how many gorgeously colored peppers I got. Look at that rainbow, I love it. Then I moved over to my spicy pepper bed and got tons of jalapenos. I've got some Hungarian hots, I've got some cherry hots, I've got some cayenne. I just couldn't believe how many peppers I had. And stay tuned in the next few weeks because I am gonna try and overwinter my peppers, so I'll walk you through my steps for that. And then here's my Tabasco pepper plant. Look how many peppers are on here. It's like 200 peppers. Now there are some down in there that are ripe, but I wanna wait till they are already kind of like all orange so I can make Tabasco sauce. Here are some zinnias, and I actually do have some calendula growing. There's a yellow one there, a little tiny zinnia next to it, and then I have some little yellow calendula kind of there in the back, but I actually have some flowers still. And then speaking of flowers, this is kind of the crazy jungle flower corner, but I still have lots of gorgeous things growing like rudbeckia. I've got some cleome, I think that's how you say it, cleome. I've got some nasturtiums and some mums, just gorgeous. And then I have this really tall Oscar right here. Then I decided to check on my biggest pumpkin because it looked a little wonky, and sure enough, when I picked it up, the stem fell off of it, the top was mushy, and it was covered in squash bugs. So unfortunately, my biggest pumpkin that I have been watching grow all summer is not going to make it for a fall decoration. So here you can kind of tell, and it wasn't really even mushy where it was laying on the ground. It's mushy on the top, so it got rotten. You can see there it's like really soft. So it's gonna go into the compost and we'll just salvage the other ones. So let's go take this one over, and it smells, it's gross, it's really rotten, and watch, it explodes here. It just poof, just giant mess. So we are going to salvage the rest. So I ended up having 5 nice pumpkins still that I could salvage. But this is our haul today. I probably have 15 pounds or so of peppers and tomatoes and 5 cute little pumpkins. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.